Hey everyone, so I want to apologize in advance for being so dark in here. This is the reason why. This is how to make curtains. Well, I wouldn't say it's a how-to, it's how I attempted to make curtains. So yeah. Okay, measuring this one. 47, 17. Future cat, 46, 17. 42, 16. Okay, measurements taken. Just want to say that I cut my finger at work, so you're gonna have to look at this beautiful band-aid for your viewing pleasure, and also so I don't rip my entire nail off by getting it stuck in fabric. I got two different fabrics. One's gonna be for the inside, one's gonna be for the outside, just so it's like double layered and whatnot. Plus I got this really cool fabric for the inside part. So we got this one, some trees and stuff. And then the outside color is going to just be blue. There is a fabric vest behind me. So what I'm going to do is take one of these pieces, blue pieces, and I'm going to inside out sew this and then leave a little pocket so I can turn it around, flip it all around so it looks all nice and even. So now we have this, which is pretty good, right? But I messed up and didn't add extra inches, so what I'm gonna do is just cut a little hole here, cut a little hole on the other side, and just run my pole through there, because I already have all these cut. So I'm just gonna poke little holes in it and just slide through and see how that turns out. So you can skip this step if you were smart and thought about adding extra inches. If not, you can just poke a little hole right on each corner. So even though that was a mess up that caused me to poke the holes in it, it's a lot easier than having to like flip it around and sew it again. So I'm just gonna keep doing them like that. So now that this has just become 600 times easier, all you gotta do is make a giant like inside out rectangle. That's what a shape is. It's a rectangle. Leave a part open, flip it around, and you're good. Okay, well that one's a little wonky, but other than that, so this the sliding door one, I'm gonna get like a bungee cord and like or a piece of metal and like drill it in. I don't really know how to mess with the one that's there right now. And the one that's inside the closet, I'm not gonna make an actual curtain for. I have the one made for the side door, but the one in there is just a piece of wood with like the fabric like stapled to it. So that's exactly what I'm gonna do if I ever take it out, is just staple the blue fabric to it. And there we are. Hey, guess what? I made this. And I made this, and I made this, and I made this.